So guys, welcome to Let's Talk Agriculture. I am here at Catch My Drift, which is one of our major sponsors for this podcast. And we have a lot of things going on. One of the first challenge I accepted was to actually develop a forage-based ruminant system that could supply Jamaica and kind of solve problems with dairy, sheep, and goat farmers. And that's where we want to start this conversation on this episode. How is it that we can really put together a model that can really be sustainable and commercialize and upscale to supply Jamaica with all the forage needs that we want? All right, so guys, what we think about feeding our ruminants in the country? If we look at the different type of species we have a whole dairy sector. We're looking probably over 3,000-4,000 cows to feed. Small ruminants might be up in 100,000. Beef population is also not as big as it used to be probably back in the 50s. So maybe we're looking at a couple thousand animals to feed. So we want to look at a diet that's formulated for milk production, one for meat. Where should we start? The baseline is definitely our forages because we're feeding ruminants. So we want to look at selecting the best forage species that, one, give us high biomass yield, two, a nutrient profile that can meet the animal requirement. That's where we want to start, selecting the best forage species and determine the amount of acreage of land we're going to need to supply the country.